Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Web and Geeks Tutor. Today we are going to start a new series of videos. Today we are going to edit a video using Filmora tool. So let's start. You can edit your videos in Filmora tool in this 16:9 ratio, or you can also edit for Instagram and for Reels 9:16 portrait mode and 4:3 and cinema mode. If you want, then you can take 21:9. Okay, so today we are going to edit a raw video. I have already raw videos, so let's start with 16:9. Okay, so let's start. So we are going to start new project. If you have already created some, then you can start with open also. So today we are going to start with new project. So here is the screen you will get in your Filmora, that is, you can say dashboard also. Here media you will upload into it, and here are some audios we have available already. You can use from it, and you can also upload your own. And in title you will get in future, if you are editing some videos through Filmora, then it has a lot of options available. And another is transition. You can get like if you want to some merge multiple clips, then you will use this transition effects. It has also lot of effects. And another is effect menu. You are getting that like mosaic 70s and black and white old video and more. Another is element. In element there are some emojis like you used in WhatsApp, Snapchat and other applications also. A split screen, that is another thing. If you want to add some images into videos, then you can choose according to your need. If you want to add two images into a frame, then you can took this one and this one also. And if you want four images in a frame, then you can take this one. Okay, so let's start without taking more time. So here we go with the you can drag and drop your raw videos, or you can also import from here. So I am going with drag and drop. Okay, so I have already selected some videos which I am going to edit, that are these are 3 clips. Okay, so just drag and drop here. You will get all the 3 clips into your import media. Okay, then start with this. Okay, you can also you can also take single clip. So I have taken this one. Okay, you can it will ask to you that what frame rate you want to match to media, or you want to project setting according to your needs. So here I am taking key project settings like 25 frame per second. Okay, so let's start. You will start the video. Then this is totally raw clip I have shooted from my mobile also. So here you can control the voice like drag and up and down. Okay,
सब कुशल मंगल होंगे. और
now you can hear the voice.
बहुत ही खूबसूरत पोशाक जो आपने अभी थोड़े दिन पहले आपने इंस्टाग्राम पे देखा होगा.
Okay, if you want to split some section of the clip, then you can go with the Control B, that is shortcut clip shortcut button, or you can also with this. You can see that the scissor you have to click left button into it. Okay, then it is clipped. Okay, I am doing undo it again. Okay, and another thing is if you want to split this, Control B, and here you have to use some transitions like I am using this is cubicle. Okay, so you will see the changes.
दिन पहले आपने इंस्टाग्राम पे देखा होगा गोटापत्ती में जिसका ऑरेंज कलर का ओढ़ना था.
If you want to some add tiles into it, like you want to name of this person or some other things, like then you can choose some titles into it. That is I am choosing this one. Okay, so here double click into it, and you will get the dummy text here. Then now need to edit your name, or you want to add something what you want. Okay, I am adding here Royal Rani sir. Okay, you will see that how it is visible now. Also you want to change the animations and other font of the text. Here you can do it that also here. Okay, then you will get here. Okay, I have chose this one, and you will get the you can also increase and decrease of the text, like this, and this. Okay, or you can also drag to increase the size of the text. Okay, so and another thing I'm going to tell you, if you want to increase the speed of the video, then here is the option. You have to choose this, and if you want to slow the video size, video's play speed, then you can choose this one. And if you want to fast it, then you have to 2 times, 4 times. I'm now just choosing 2 times, then it will start moving fast. You can say this. Okay, and if you want to slow this speed of video, then slow 0.5%.
मल्टी कलर का दुपट्टा था जिसमें
Okay, and now I'm doing same, the exact speed of the video. Okay, normal. ठीक है,
डिजाइन वर्क सब कुछ बहुत खूबसूरत है.
okay, and if you want to add some tiles, like you have seen in the YouTube videos, like some moving text that moves from here, we will do that type of thing. Okay, so from here you have to choose from tiles, and you can choose according to your choice. I'm choosing this one. Okay, so here you can type your contact number and other things which you want to add into it. So I am typing the contact number, that is etc. Okay, and you can type here what you want. Here you can control the size of the text, like, and you can also change the color. If you want to change the color of this text, you have to scroll down this, and here, from here you can change your text color, like this is maroon. Okay, and another thing I am going to tell you, that is animation. So you have seen like this scroll left to right, right to left. This type of thing you will get into if you double click on this. Then you will get animation section. In animation you have to choose according to your needs, like this is coming like typewriter. Another thing is like random. Okay, so you can choose according to your needs. That is down to insert, up to insert. Like this is left to right, right to left. You can choose according to your needs. Okay, if you want to decrease the frame size, then you can use this. Okay, hope you will understand. And if you want to add some another thing, then you can import from here also. Like I want to add some subscribe button into the video, and I'm choosing this, and you will get, I have already saved into downloads. Okay, you just need to click on it, and you will get to your media library. Okay, just nothing to do it. You just drag and drop wherever you want to insert into the video. Here you will get you watching that video has some green screen. Okay, so today I am also going to tell you that how you can remove green screen of your video which is into your video. Okay, so just need to right click over the video, and you will get green screen. Okay, just press left button on your mouse, and all the green screen will remove over the video. Okay, you can adjust it through drag, and you can put wherever you want to put it now. Okay, and another thing, if you want to add some other clips, then just need to drag and drop here. Okay, and I have already told you that if you want some transition effects into it, then you can choose whatever you want, what you like according to your needs. Like this one you will get
जो भी आप कलर देख रहे हैं मल्टी
this, or if you want to another thing, then I can also do it, or you can change according to your needs. After this you have completed this section. If you want to export this, basically if this is video is basic video to beginners. If you want to do better editing, then you can do more things in Filmora. So stay tuned to our channel. You will get new videos and new tricks how to edit raw videos. So if you want to export this file, then you just need to click on the export button. Okay, it will ask to you like where you want to save this video and for what name. Okay, you can type here whatever you want to save, and this is the location where you want to save this video. Okay, you can choose according to your needs. Just you can change the resolution of the video after clicking the button of setting. Here is the configuration like best, better, good. According to you can change this type of all the figures. Okay, after okay, and you just need to export your video and it will save to a desired location where you want to save it. I hope you will you have enjoyed the video, and if you have any question or query, just comment to us. We will solve your query and try to get best in our next videos.